Alright guys, today we got a very cool unboxing to do. Very excited about this knife. I watched a lot of reviews, obviously. Did a lot of research. And I'm really excited to try this knife brand out. This is definitely more of like a niche premium, I guess you could say. But let's get to see the Alright, this is the Kunwu brand. They're more of a premium brand. Wow, this is my first, like, not premium. I mean, I have Microtechs, but this is definitely up there in price. This is my first titanium knife for sure. Let me see. And I'm still gonna give you guys an update with the Zero knife by Rivery Manufacturing. Love this thing. So keep on the lookout for that video. This is really nice. This is a really nice box. Okay. Wow. That's really nice. Little carrying bag. Nice. I heard they sometimes don't include extra Omega springs. And an extra wire clip. Wow. Kunwu. Cool sticker. Cool cloth. Alright guys. Wow. This is the Compact Chad. Wow. This is really nice. Let me wipe this blade off. Wow. It's got a little bit of heft to it, but not anything that would weigh you down. That is beautiful. Beautiful. They call this diamond texture on the handles. It is a crossbar lock. Wow. That is a DLC coated PM60. Yep, Compact Chad PM60. I've not heard of that blade metal before, material. I'm assuming it's a very premium, very good on the hardness scale. But man, I plan on actually really carrying this knife and using it. I paid way too much for it to be put away in a vault like some of my Microtechs. But man, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh man, they have the smoothest DLC coating on this blade. It is more of a, it's not matte, it's more of like a satin. It is ultra buttery smooth. They do some really good work. Man. Alright, so let's put this to the side. This is definitely more my type of knife. I'm not into big knives too much. Typically, if they're the bigger type, I either don't buy them, or I buy them and I don't really end up carrying them. I prefer medium-ish, large knives, if that makes sense. And I don't really like small knives either. I feel they're hard to handle because you can't grip smaller knives, and it just kind of icks me. But I don't know. But some quick specs. So really, maybe 3 1/16 on the blade length, and then almost exactly just a hair under 3 inches on the cutting length. Do the blade stock at the spine. Wow, beautiful. 125 and a hair. Maybe that DLC coating adds just a tenth or two on the width. Man, this is absolutely nice. Some quick comparisons. This is the Spyderco Para 3. Spyderco Manix 2. So see, this is exactly my type of knife. I feel the Para 3 is just a hair small for me, and the Manix 2 is like right at the top of my carrying comfortable level, if that makes sense. So this is exactly perfect. Wow, that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful drop shut action. Wow. On the back, beautiful diamond texture, titanium scales, beautiful, I want to say maybe a titanium anodized milled clip, beautiful crossbar buttons, beautiful DLC coated standoffs, and it looks like wow, they have full length, full width nestle liners in the handle with no weight reduction. But man, that is nice. So quick weight. .551. That is exactly, I think, the right carry weight. I feel anything lighter than 3 ounces, it just feels like super cheap and like easy to forget about in your pocket. And obviously anything past like that 6 ounce mark is almost too heavy. Like, I feel like it might pull your shorts down when you walk. But this is nice. This is, man, I'm gonna regret getting into this premium niche knives. Maybe not. But man, this is beautiful. For being an overseas kind of made knife, hey, this is really nice, man. This is really worth what they ask in price. They had a carbon fiber handle version, but I wanted to try out titanium first because I've never had a titanium handle. I've had a couple carbon fiber or maybe like fake carbon fiber, and they're like okay, but I really don't mind the extra maybe ounce or two that the titanium handles would add. Plus titanium is super strong, super lightweight compared to steel. Man, it is absolutely nice, beautiful. Action doesn't need no adjustment. Perfect blade centering. And this satin DLC is wow, absolutely beautiful. Like, I like Spyderco's DLC, but it's kind of a matte and it's not the smoothest, so it might get hung up on things as you're cutting. But man, this satin super smooth DLC coating on this blade, man, it's gonna help you glide through. Man, that That feels absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I'll definitely give a update after carrying this one for maybe a month or two. But man, I am looking forward to this one. I'm definitely gonna be carrying this around. I'm gonna go out wherever it's legal to carry. Man, that is beautiful.